Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect to Wi-Fi on your Android device. So Android, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy basically. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the setting gear button, and then you want to go under Network and Internet. Underneath Network and Internet, select the Internet button. And then you can select a Wi-Fi network if you see one visible that's discoverable on your network. You may have to toggle it to the on position if Wi-Fi is turned off. And then if you are unable to see one in this list, you may want to select Add Network. And then you can go ahead and enter the SSID number as well as the security type, and then fill out all the advanced options to go ahead and connect to the network. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.